Hola, amigos. Once again, your maestro here, Jongo, welcoming you to today's lesson. Now, today we're going to be talking about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. And I'm talking about my, yours, his, hers. So today, that's what the lesson is about. Now, one thing I want you to pay close attention to, it's when we come to the plural part. When we come to the plural part, there is a distinction between what we are used to in English and what you're going to find in Espanol. So let me give you an example. For example, in English, when you say singular, you say my book. You say my book, that's singular. When it comes to converting that phrase to the plural, usually you only convert the noun or you only convert the object, and it becomes from my book, it becomes my books. So my book, singular, when you go to plural, it becomes my books. You only convert the object and not the possessive adjective. In Spanish, it's different because everything has a plural. Everything has a plural. The possessive adjective, my, in Spanish has a plural, and so does the object itself or the noun. So pay close attention to that because that's a distinction which is very clear and which has to be respected, whether it's in writing or in conversation. So once again, thank you for tuning into today's lesson, and let's go to the board and look at the possessive adjective. So stay with me as we move to the board. Here it's coming into view. So our lesson for today, again, it's the possessive adjective. So, and that's what at the top of the screen. So let's start with the first one. Me, am I. Me means my, as you see in brackets, my slash singular. So me, am I means my slash singular. So for example, when you say mi libro, you mean my book, just one book, my book, one book. So when you see miss, it's my plural. Miss is my plural. So when you want to say my books, it's going to be Miss Libros. Miss Libros. So you see what I was talking about. In Spanish, you convert both the possessive adjective and the object itself, the noun. So Miss is my plural. Sort of written there in brackets. So let's go to the second one. Tu, tu. Tu means, and pay close attention to this. Tu means you, singular. Tu, it's also the form of you that we use with friends, family, or people who are younger than us. Tu means you slash singular, and it's the informal form of you that we use with family, friends, and young people who are younger than us. So when you say tu amigo, you are saying your friend, and here you are addressing somebody that is a close friend, a relative, or somebody younger than you, and that's singular. When you say tus amigos, that's a plural of tus is the plural of you, and like you see in bracket, it means you slash plural, and again, this is the informal you. So tus amigos means your friend. Tus amigos means your friend when you are addressing a friend or a close relative. Then the next one is su, su. Su, and as you see in bracket, means your slash his, and you know wherever we have his, we also have her. So su means your slash his, hers, singular. So su is the formal form of you. So think of when you are addressing somebody you don't know, or in the professional environment, or strangers. This is when you use su. But if you want to be safe, if you want to be confident that you're not messing them up, you can always go with su. So su means your or his or hers, and that's singular. So su tío means your aunt. Su tío means your aunt. So sus, S-U-S, is a plural of su. So this is you, formal, plural, and it means your or their. Your or their. So sus tíos means your aunt, or their aunt. Notice both have been converted to plural. And now down here we have nuestro. Nuestro means our, like our, we. Nuestro means our slash singular. So when you say nuestro tío, you mean our aunt. You mean our aunt. And down here we have nuestros. Nuestros is the plural of nuestro. So nuestros means our, plural. So nuestros tíos means our aunt. Nuestros tíos means our aunt. So let's go over the lesson again. And I know the first time it's kind of difficult to follow, it may be tricky to follow, especially the possessive adjective part. But with practice and when you put that into use, you're going to be at home with the lesson. So let's go. Me, my, mi, me means my, singular. So mi libro means my book. Mis means my, plural. So mis libros means my books. Tú means you. Again, tú is the informal you that we use with friends, relatives, people we are close to. So tú means you slash singular. So tu amigo means your friend. Your friend when you're addressing somebody you're familiar with. Tus means it's a plural of tú. So tus means you, plural. And when you say tus amigos, you are telling somebody your friends, plural, your friends. Su means is the form of you, form of you. So it means your slash his or hers, and that's singular. So when you say su tío, you mean your aunt or his or her aunt. Su tío means your aunt or his or her aunt. Sus tíos, sus is the plural of su. So sus means your or their, plural. So when you say sus tíos means your aunt or their aunt. Nuestro means our, like we, our. So nuestro is our slash singular. So nuestro tío would mean our aunt, aunt. And finally, nuestros means our slash plural. So when you say nuestros tíos, you'd be saying our aunts, our aunts. So see, both have been conjugated. Okay, compañeros, I know that's some new concepts in Espanol compared to what we have in English, some differences. But again, that's the beauty of the of languages. So that's our lesson for today. Kindly, if it's your first time, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Muchas gracias. Thank you so much for your support. Please continue sharing with friends and inviting them and bring your feedback. Until the next lesson, this is your amigo, Tiong Telling you adios. Muchas gracias.